Good morning, guys. Today I will show my hvac ducting work. Finish this building, ducting installation, fan installation. Uh, this one kitchen exhaust duct. This is the kitchen exhaust fan. This ducting go above the roof. This ducting above to roof from connection finium box. This one finium box connection. This is the FCO. This is the supply branch. This kitchen too much hot. After this one too much cooking everything. This is the exhaust. This is the mouthpiece connection and supply duct. This is the toilet, common toilet. This one flexible here. This valve coming here, like this. So this coming here. This is the laundry room, like this. Laundry room have the one flexible duct here. This is the main entrance for this building. Main entrance supply. This is this branch coming. This is the dining room, hall room. One supply grill coming here, one coming there. This is the why divided this one. Okay, thank you. Like and follow me.